In this video, I will show you how to receive Bitcoin in your Cash App account. Now, whether someone is sending you Bitcoin as payment or transferring it from another wallet, you will first need to find your Bitcoin wallet address in Cash App to get started. Open Cash App on your device. Make sure you're on the home screen, then tap your Balance or Money tab. Scroll down to the Bitcoin section and select it. Now, this will open your Bitcoin wallet, where you can view your Bitcoin balance and transaction history. From here, tap the Send and Receive button. Then select Receive Bitcoin, and Cash App will display your Bitcoin wallet QR code. Now, with this, you can share it with anyone who wants to send you Bitcoin. But if they prefer using a wallet address instead of a QR code, simply tap the QR code to reveal your Bitcoin wallet address. You will see options for your standard Bitcoin wallet address and, if available, your Lightning Network address. Be sure to share the correct one based on the type of transfer you're receiving. If you'd like to copy your wallet address, tap the Copy button, then paste it into a text message, email, or any other messaging app to send it to the person transferring the Bitcoin. One important thing to remember is that this address is only for receiving Bitcoin or BTC. Sending a different cryptocurrency to this address may result in your funds being permanently lost. So always double check the type of cryptocurrency being sent. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.